Hello guys, today we are going to perform an experiment to find the value of G using KATERS pendulum. Now the aim of the experiment is to determine the value of G by KATERS pendulum. The apparatus required for these experiments are KATERS pendulum.
This is KATERS pendulum.
Now we need stopwatch. This is the stopwatch and this is the stand. Now the time period of the oscillation is given by the formula T equal to 2 pi root over L by G. That implies G equal to 4 pi square L by T square. Here L is the distance between the two knife edges.
This is the center of mass of the KATERS pendulum.
This is the knife edge 1 K1, this is knife edge 2 K2, and the length from K1 to the center of mass is L1 and the length from K2 to center of mass is L2. Let T1 and T2 be the time period about the knife edges. K1 and K2 position at the distance L1 and L2 from the center of gravity of pendulum. Now using these formulas, equation number 1, we get 4 pi square by G equal to L1 T1 square minus L2 T2 square divided by L1 square minus L2 square. And we get 4 pi square by G equal to half in bracket T1 square plus T2 square by L1 plus L2 plus T1 square minus T2 square by L1 minus L2. This is equation number 2.
Now we find time period T1 for 30 oscillations.
One, two, three, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Here in observation, we took 3 time period for T1, 52 seconds, 51 seconds and 52 seconds. And in T2, we found 50 seconds, 50 seconds and 50 seconds. The mean for T1 is 51.67 seconds and the mean for T2 is 50 seconds. The time period for T1 is T1 by 30 equal to 1.72 seconds and the time period for T2 is 1.67 seconds. Now putting the values of L1 and L2 in equation number 2, these are the calculations and we get G equal to 985 cm per second square. Now we get the result, the value of G is 985 cm per second square.